going on YouTube? It's your boy Trevor, back with a new video and also with a new phone. Thank you, Emmanuel. New video I'm breaking you today is that I just did something new to the truck. I want to say thank you for Mo. I want to also thank RT Automotives for getting these lights and for Mo for putting these lights in for me. But yeah. It's gonna be a quick little video for you guys so you guys can see this real quick. Right now I'm in the parking lot of my underground parking. But one thing to let you guys know real quick is that if I was ever do a lift kit on my truck, I can't, just because of that rod or pipe is literally that much under my truck, above my truck. So if I were to get a lift every time I back in, I'm hitting that. But other than that, let's get to the point of the video. So that being said, roll the clip. Like I mentioned, I did something new to the truck, which was, again, thanks to those people I mentioned earlier, which is the lights. So I'm gonna show you guys what they are. First I'm supposed to show you a picture of what it was before. And then what it is now. So mind you, it's still the same housing of the lights. It's just that I just got LEDs. It looks hella nice, especially at nighttime driving, where it's pretty bright. But I'm gonna show you that right now. So if you look behind me, you got blacks. Oh, there, blacks, and then new lights. So now they're bright. So they're bright. They're showing all over there. But yeah, so that's the new lights. What I got is I actually have the box inside the truck, which I'm gonna get for you. So it's a good thing I actually should open the truck. The lights I got, it's good I'm in here because I need to bring the box upstairs anyways, was making me see everything I need out of the truck first. I don't have to come back in here because I'm actually just gonna go upstairs and get stuff ready for work tomorrow because I'm going to Montreal tomorrow. Oh, excuse me. I think I said everything I need. I could be wrong. I'm double checking here again. Cool. Got the old phone because using the new phone right now, which is the XR. So again, thanks to Emmanuel. Yeah, I think that's it. I got everything. Got the new gloves. Got bungees. I need to fix that later. But yeah. So what I got in my truck now is this, which I'm gonna show you real quick. This is what I got my headlights for my truck. Some Car Lighting District CLDs. District quality, which is, where's the side I'm looking for? There we are. So that's what I got in there. So I got these LED conversion kit. So I got the decoder and everything all in there. Again, it took only Mo like 20 minutes to do. Yeah. So yeah, the old bulbs right there still good. So if anything goes wrong, I could just put these back in, but I shouldn't need to. Also got lifetime warranty on these. Thanks again. For these ones though, you do have to get a actually, I'll turn back the camera around 1 second. With these ones, that's what my truck is. I do have a 2015 Ram. For you to do LEDs, you do have to get the decoder, which most people know already. I didn't. So luckily, the guy told me this. He told me that you need to get the decoder, put it in, because he also has a Ram too, which is a very nice Ram, by the way. Again, I will put his Instagram down in the description down below as well. Same with Mo's, because again, Mo helped me out a lot. And yeah, and the other thing I bought was I'm gonna get them installed. So it's not a big install that I got. What I bought, it's not installed yet. It's just the tires. I bought this pointers, which I should be getting install sometime this week, just because again I'm going to Montreal tomorrow. I'm gonna be back until Tuesday, so I'm looking either to get them installed by either end of Tuesday when I come back to Montreal, or end of Wednesday after work if I finish on time. But that being said, it's undecided. But yeah, just getting excited on coming here quick to tell you that I got these installed. Like, if you remember my last Instagram post, I posted on I can't my story I posted on. Was that my story or my? I don't remember. But person, there it is. That's the ad right there. I'm also gonna put it on below. RT Automotives. Also got a decal on the truck. So yeah. But yeah, I can't get over it. Let's look at it again. It's like how bright it is. It's like I said, let there be light. Like, that's really bright. It's like way better than the orange, yellow ones I had on. The stock lights, I should say. But yeah. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. One way I gotta end this video, which is a nice startup of the truck, because everyone got to hear it. Like, I still can't get over it. But got a straight pipe a month ago. Still loving the sound. It's like, it's amazing. Can't get over it. Like, right now, watch this. Can't get over it. Can't get over it. It's like, especially with the tunnels. Love it. And I want to say thank you for Rev Motors for that. So RC Automotives for the lights, Rev Motors for the straight light. I love it. But yeah, right now going upstairs, go to sleep. I got stuff to do. So that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of small update with the truck. Unfortunately, I couldn't record it for you guys the installation because we did it out in my Volvo driveway and it was freezing. It was literally like -4 today. So it was freezing. Like, I was dying. But yeah, so that being said, hope you guys like this small little video. Make sure you guys like, comment, favorite, subscribe, and all of them you guys keep. Well, I was gonna say my older truck. Okay, take it easy.